Make a beautiful, blessed remainder of this day. Just know that God is so good. We are one of the ones who got the areas with spotty rain. Blessings. Authentically me tea. Outside. Thank you, Jesus.